Hi, this is Swapnil Joshi.
Hi, this is Anjana Sukhani.
And you're watching
Bollywood Hangama. Keep watching.
अंजना सुखानी इनफैक्ट स्वप्निल के बारे में कहा जाता है कि दैट इन्होंने किसी अपने इंटरव्यू में भी कहा है कि दैट जो मेरी एक्ट्रेसेस जो हैं वो इतनी खूबसूरत होती हैं कि दैट रोमांस कहीं ना कहीं मुझे नेचुरली आ जाता है. आई विल थैंक माई एक्ट्रेसेस फॉर दैट, हीरोइंस फॉर दैट, एंड सेम विद अंजना सुखानी एज वेल कि बहुत ही खूबसूरत इनफैक्ट हीरोइन है. सो आप इस अदा को आप इनकी क्या कहना चाहेंगे दैट रोमांटिक हीरो के तरीके से मशहूर हैं?
I think definitely. I mean, he always says, और इन्होंने सब इंटरव्यूज में कहा है कि I make him look good.
Yeah, that is true.
So no, but I guess every person carries its own personality and their own aura around themselves, and I think और उनकी इमेज ऑलरेडी बनी हुई है एज अ रोमांटिक हीरो. सो आई थिंक सो एनीबडी हु गेट्स अटैच्ड टू हिम एज अ को-एक्टर, आई थिंक मेक्स इट a beautiful couple since he's already known as a romantic hero.
Right.
So I think it just frames better saying that, you know, of course my actresses are making him look good, but I don't really think so. I think he's not taking the credit of being this chocolate boy of Marathi industry.
Right.
So take it.
And what about that he's called Shah Rukh Khan of Marathi?
Wow, I've heard that too, and I would rightly say it. Yes, he's called Shah Rukh Khan of Marathi cinema, because when you see his films, he has that chocolatey innocence about him, and the way he romances. So I guess since Shah Rukh is synonymous with romance, I think he's the benchmark. If anybody will do anything, will be compared to Shah Rukh only. I mean, the highest position that in romance in cinema is of course Shah Rukh Khan, and I think he comes close to being that romantic image that girls like, and I think that's the reason why he has this chocolatey romantic image. And I think most of his films have been pretty much romance based films. So whether you pick up Mumbai Pune Mumbai or Tu Hi Re or Pyar Wali Love Story, there's always this certain kind of innocence and the way he portrays emotions through his eyes. I think that's what works, and I think makes him a romantic hero.
Right. So how do you react to this comparison?
No, I think I take it with a lot of humbleness. But having said that, Shah Rukh Khan is huge. He's huge. The very fact that people take my name in the same breath as his name, I think it's a great compliment. But I would want to stop myself at that, because I know how big a phenomenon he is, and I'm only working and trying hard to be. और मैं हमेशा मजाक में कहता हूँ कि बड़ी मुश्किल से स्वप्निल जोशी बन पा रहा हूँ यार. अभी पहले वो तो बनने दो, फिर शाहरुख खान बनेंगे. और I'm a huge fan of Shah Rukh Khan, and who isn't? I think the whole world is a fan of Shah Rukh Khan. I think what people mean when they say that is, like she said, कि probably I do romantic roles better, और मैं शायद उनको ठीक ठाक तरीके से निभा लेता हूँ, तो लोगों को लगता है कि रोमांस मतलब शाहरुख खान. So I think it's a compliment to him and his stature or what he's created. But I've had the pleasure of interacting with him twice or thrice on a personal level, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मुझे ज़िंदगी में कभी शाहरुख खान बनना है तो काम में बनूँ ना बनूँ, अगर मैं उनके जैसा जेंटलमैन बन पाऊँ, and the way he handles people and the way he's so graceful. I think he's grace personified. Right. अगर मैं उनके जैसा इंसान बनने की कोशिश कर पाऊँ तो I think that will be a bigger achievement for me.
Okay, and इस तरीके की अफवाहें हैं कि that आप एक शाहरुख खान और रोहित शेट्टी की प्रोडक्शन में आप काम करने वाले हैं, संजय यादव उसको डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं.
फिलहाल हम लाल इश्क की बात करेंगे जो 27 मई को रिलीज हो रही है.
नहीं वो तो हो रही है, लेकिन बट इन अफवाहों में कोई सच्चाई है that can you see that happening?
I don't know. I think हर चीज़ का एक वक्त होता है और हर जवाब का हर एक इंटरव्यू का अपना एक मज़ा होता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उस बहाने मुझे एक और मौका मिलेगा आपके साथ बात करने का, और I'd like to keep that मौका with me. So that I don't lose the chance of interacting with you one more time.
Diplomacy मतलब जबरदस्त diplomacy. So I'm sure that he must be good at charming women, for sure, as far as like a romantic hero.
I think I think that's just his personality, because we've been traveling a lot promoting this film, and we've been constantly doing interviews. I see a certain more than romance. I think I see a certain kind of chivalry in him, in terms of being very protective. So I remember we were in Pune and we were in a mall, and the crowd got a bit rowdy, and he made sure he was literally holding me like that and making sure that I crossed that whole zone very safely. So I think it's more of chivalry than romance, that he knows how to protect women when it is required. So I think I would give that as a very graceful. I don't know if people observe it, but of course, when you're a girl and you're traveling and you're in a mess like that, and he's, what is it called? This knight in shining armor, in a way. But yeah, definitely, he's very gracious, of course, very gracious.
Great, Swapnil in shining armor.